If you've been searching for real daily income with no work in 2026, then you're going to love what I'm sharing in this long, detailed, and completely honest review. Today, we're going extremely deep into a plug and play affiliate system that is allowing ordinary people to generate daily income with no work by earning $200 commissions per sale. This is not another hustle 10 hours a day method. This is a legitimate, ready-made system designed so you can set it up once and start collecting daily income with no work afterward. Let me be very clear from the start. The daily income with no work opportunity I'm reviewing today is one of the simplest and most straightforward systems I've seen this year. After going through the entire platform myself, I can confidently say it's built for people who want real income without the usual daily grind. So what exactly makes this a true daily income with no work method? It's a complete plug-and-play affiliate platform where every sale you generate pays you a flat $200 commission. You don't create products, you don't build funnels from scratch. You don't spend hours making content every day. You simply set up the system once, share your links when you want, and earn daily income with no work as people buy through your affiliate links. When you log into the dashboard after joining, you immediately see how clean and professional everything is. You can view your total balance, referral bonuses, team volume, and all the tools you need to run your daily income with no work business. Let me walk you through exactly how easy it is to activate this daily income with no work system. First, you go to the System Setup section. It's only 4 simple steps: welcome, username, profile, and adding your payment links. Most people finish this entire setup in 10 to 15 minutes. Once you complete it, your whole daily income with no work system becomes fully active. Next, you move to the lead capture setup. Here you connect professional done-for-you pages that are already optimized to collect leads and convert them into buyers. This automation is a huge reason why people can generate daily income with no work. Then you head to your affiliate links. With one click, you get all the links you need. Every time someone purchases through your link, you earn $200 instantly credited toward your daily income with no work. The platform also gives you 2 powerful products that both pay the $200 commission. The Daily Income Method Training System. The massive 100,000-plus faceless reels library. This means you have ready-to-promote offers that make earning daily income with no work much more realistic. You also get automated video follow-up sequences, a big library of ready-to-post content, and real-time tracking so you can monitor your daily income with no work progress without spending all day on the computer. This complete plug-and-play structure is exactly why so many people are now building daily income with no work in 2026. Let's talk real numbers and realistic expectations for daily income with no work. 1 sale per day equals $200. Daily income 2 sales per day equals $400. Daily income 3 to 5 sales per day equals $600 to $1,000. Daily income, because the system includes automated follow-ups and proven offers, many users are able to achieve consistent daily income with no work after the initial setup. One of the smartest aspects of this daily income with no work opportunity is the timing. We are still very early. The people who set up their system now and begin promoting are positioning themselves at the beginning of what could be a big growth curve. Early movers in good systems like this almost always see the best long-term daily income with no work results. That's exactly why I keep encouraging action throughout this video. Let me share some of the key features that make this such an effective daily income with no work system. Clean, modern dashboard with live statistics, professional done-for-you lead, capture pages, automated video follow-up sequences, ready-to-use high-converting affiliate links, 2 strong products paying $200 per sale, huge library of faceless marketing content, tools for buying traffic if you want to scale faster, weekly live training and community support. All of these tools combined create a complete ecosystem that supports daily income with no work. Of course, I want to be fully transparent. While this is designed as daily income with no work, you will still need to share your links consistently, whether through social media, messengers, groups, or paid traffic. The more consistently you promote, the faster your daily income with no work grows. But compared to creating your own products, running complicated ads, or spending hours every day creating content, this is genuinely one of the lowest effort methods available. Here's my honest conclusion after spending a lot of time inside the platform. If you're looking for a real plug-and-play system that can deliver daily income with no work through $200 commissions per sale, this is one of the strongest options I've seen in 2026. It's clean, well-built, beginner-friendly, and focused on making money as simply as possible. If you're ready to start building your own daily income with no work, I've made it extremely easy for you. Click the link in the pinned comment or description right now. That link will take you straight to the platform where you can create your account and complete the quick setup process. Don't just watch this long video about daily income with no work and then do nothing. If the idea of earning real daily income with minimal daily effort excites you, take action today. Click the link in the pinned comment and get your system live. Let me say it clearly one more time. If you want daily income with no work, the direct link is waiting for you in the pinned comment. Click it now and lock in your spot while we're still early. This plug-and-play system was created so regular people like you and me can finally build daily income with no work without burning out or overcomplicating everything. Before I wrap up this very detailed review, I want to remind you again, click the link in the pinned comment if you're ready to start your daily income with no work today. If this honest, in-depth breakdown helped you understand how to create daily income with no work in 2026, please drop a big in the comments and let me know you're checking it out. I read every comment and I'll reply to as many as possible with advice on getting the most out of this system. Thank you so much for watching this long and thorough review of how to build daily income with no work. I hope it gave you the complete picture and confidence to make a smart decision. Click the link in the pinned comment right now, go through the quick setup, and start working toward consistent daily income with no work. I'll be back soon with more updates as I continue tracking and scaling my own results with this platform. Take care, everyone, and let's make 2026 the year you finally achieve real daily income with no work.